learn how to do the monastery. To do the monastery, we first need to stand in a strong dancer position with your fist hands facing the front in front of your chest. Now, you just roll your hands from the right to the left, and when it comes towards the circle, like when the circle gets completed, you just bend your left leg inside. Your left leg from your knee. You go 1, 2. So let's do the leg movement first. You just go down and right and left and right and. Okay, so now let's do it with the hands. You just roll your hand, pull it inside, roll your hand, pull it inside. So when you roll your hands from the right to left, you pull it to the left side. When you roll your hands from left to right, you pull it to the right side. You just have to make a circle, but not complete. It's just like a semicircle, which is going to be completed, but not completed. Okay? So that's how you do the monastery. You can change the levels 1, 2, 3, 4, upwards 1 and 2. When you're doing it upwards, just make a circle in the air, facing upwards. Okay? When you're doing it in the front, you just make a circle towards the chest and stomach. When you're doing downwards, you make a circle near your knee and thighs. So that's how you do the monastery. Let's do it on music. So now you know how to do the monastery. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.
If you've liked our video,
Do like, share, subscribe and click the bell icon.
stay tuned.